In this video, I'll show you how to create a Jira ticket. First, open Jira and log in to your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, choose the project where you want to create the ticket. A Jira ticket is also called an issue, and it can represent a task, bug, story, request, or any work item your team needs to track. Next, click the Create button, usually located at the top of the screen. A new issue window will open where you can enter the ticket details. Start by choosing the correct project. Then select the issue type. For example, choose task for general work, bug for something that is not working correctly, story for a user-focused feature, or epic for a larger group of work. Now write a clear summary. This should be short and specific, like fix login error on mobile app, or update pricing page design. A good summary helps your team understand the ticket quickly. Next, add a description. Include what needs to be done, why it matters, and any important details. For a bug, you can include steps to reproduce the issue, expected result, actual result, screenshots, browser details, or device information. After that, choose the assignee if you know who should work on the ticket. You can also set the priority, sprint, label, due date, or epic link if your project uses those fields. Before creating the ticket, review all details to make sure everything is correct. Then click Create. Your Jira ticket is now created and added to the project. You can open it to add comments, attach files, change status, assign it to someone, or move it through the workflow. That's it. You now know how to create a Jira ticket and organize work clearly for your team. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.